Welcome to our podcast. We're young reporters for the environment from Slovenia. Today we're hosting two special guests, Dr. Janja Vidmar and student Luis Barjagar.
We are going to talk about the presence of microplastics in our waters, how it gets there, how it affects our bodies, our everyday lives in general.
So my name is Lara.
And I'm Aleksandar, and today we'll be your hosts. So Janja, could or maybe do you think the microplastics found in bottled water caps could be increasing our overall plastic consumption maybe?
Well, yeah, that could be also one of the reasons why the researchers found so many plastic particles in the bottled drinking water. And I found one study reporting that the opening and closing the cap is the action which releases the most plastic particles into the bottled drinking water. So that could be, one source of the plastic particles in the water that we drink in the plastic bottles.
Okay, so if microplastics are everywhere, including in the food we eat and the air we breathe, is it possible to avoid them?
I think the answer is clear. No, we cannot really avoid them completely, but there are several ways how to reduce the exposure to them. For example, instead of using single-use plastic bottles or plastic containers, we could use alternatives, so containers made of metals, wood or paper, for example. Glass, glass as well, for sure.
Why do you think that there was such a late response to microplastics, and why do you think the topic is now more known? Because of the newly risen problem regarding it, maybe?
Yeah, we all know that the large-scale production of plastics already started in the mid-20s. So I think the problem of plastics and microplastics already exists in our environment for a long time. But the research on this has started to grow very exponentially in the last, I would say, 10 to 20 years. There are several reasons for that.
I also believe microplastics and environmental issues have only become I think we care about in recent years, since the approach we've taken is out of sight, out of mind. We don't get to see our waste, our plastic debris every day. We send it to landfills, across the third world, and we don't get to see the consequences of our littering. And what happens is that only now are we seeing the consequences of our own actions, which has led to more attention finally being brought to environmental initiatives.
So I would like to thank you in the name of the whole group of the young reporters for the environment for coming and discussing with us this topic. Yes. That's it?
Thank you.
Yeah? No zdepala po slovensku.
Yeah.